If you have $0 right now, this video could change your life because I'm going to show you the exact blueprint to go from 0 to $1 million, step by step. And no, it's not about working harder or saving every penny. Most people think saving money makes you rich. Wrong. Let me show you why. Imagine this. You earn $3,000 a month. After rent, bills, credit cards, and student loans, you're left with almost nothing. So you try to save, maybe $100 a month. At that rate, it will take you over 800 years to become a millionaire. Yeah, 800 years. So if saving isn't the answer, then what is? In this video, I'll show you the exact system rich people use to escape the paycheck trap and build real wealth. But listen carefully. If you ignore this, you'll stay broke for years. Part 1. The biggest lie: saving alone. Saving money is important, but it will not make you rich because you can't save your way out of a low income. Think about it. Even if you save $500 every month, that's $6,000 a year. It would take you 166 years to reach $1 million. The real game is not saving, it's earning plus multiplying. Part 2. Step 1. Increase income fast. Your first mission is simple. Increase your income fast. Because income is your engine. No engine, no movement. You need skills that pay, not random skills, high-income skills, like sales, copywriting, video editing, AI tools, freelancing. Even going from $3K per month to $6K per month changes everything. Now you have money to invest. Part 3. Escape the paycheck trap. Most people do this: earn, spend, repeat. Rich people do this: earn, invest, then spend. That one shift changes your future. Before you buy anything, pay yourself first. Even 20% invested monthly can change your life. Part 4. The power of investing. Now comes the real magic: investing. This is where money starts working for you. Let's say you invest $1,000 every month with an average 10% return. In 10 years, $200,000 plus. In 20 years, $700,000 plus. In 25 to 30 years, $1 million plus. That's the power of compounding. Money making money. Part 5. Build multiple income streams. One income equals risk. Multiple incomes equals freedom. You need at least 3 to 5 income streams: job or main income, side hustle, investments, online income, and passive income. This is how rich people stay rich. Part 6. Avoid these traps. Most people stay broke because of these mistakes: credit card debt, lifestyle inflation, buying liabilities like cars and luxury too early, no investing, no skills. Avoid these and you're already ahead of 90% people. Final part, the reality. Becoming a millionaire is not luck, it's a system. Income, invest, multiply, repeat. Do this consistently for years and $1 million becomes inevitable. But most people won't do it because it requires discipline. So the question is, will you? Ending. If you're serious about changing your life, start today, because the longer you wait, the harder it gets. And remember, if you ignore this, you'll stay broke for years.